Saturn 4 Ultra 16K. How to replace the motherboard. Turn the power switch off. Unplug the power adapter cable. Lift the UV enclosure. Remove the 2 knob screws. Remove the resin tank. Close the UV enclosure. Release and remove the 7 screws, securing the back cover with a 2 mm Allen key. Remove the back cover. Remove the hot melt adhesive securing the cables in the top left corner of the motherboard with a pair of pliers. Unplug the cables and the Wi-Fi antenna with a pair of tweezers. Release and remove the screws securing the back cover holder with a 2 mm Allen key. Lift the UV enclosure. Remove the camera and put it on the LCD screen temporarily. Release and remove the 6 screws securing the back cover holder with a 2.5 mm Allen key. Hold the back cover holder when releasing the last screw. Put the camera back in its position. Remove the UV enclosure and keep it at hand. Release and remove the 3 screws on the upper part of the right side cover with a 2.5 mm Allen key. Release and remove the 3 screws on the lower part of the right side cover with a 2.5 mm Allen key. Remove the right side cover. Peel off the tape securing the touchscreen ribbon cable. Lift the clip. Unplug the touchscreen ribbon cable. Peel off the tape securing the LCD screen ribbon cable. Lift the clip. Remove the LCD screen ribbon cable. Secure the cables with cable ties and mark the cables. Remove the hot melt adhesive with a pair of pliers and remove the cables. Release and remove the 4 screws securing the motherboard with a 2.5 mm Allen key. Hold the motherboard when releasing the last screw. Remove the old motherboard. Remove the shading plates on the side of the motherboard. Get the new motherboard and the shading plates attached with double-sided tape. Peel off the protective paper of the double-sided tape. Attach the shading plate to its position on the left side of the motherboard. Attach the other shading plate to the opposite side in the same way. Put the motherboard in the installation position. Tighten the 4 screws securing the motherboard. Lift the clip. Plug in the LCD screen ribbon cable. Press the clip. Secure the LCD screen ribbon cable with tape. Lift the clip. Plug in the touchscreen ribbon cable. Press the clip. Secure the touchscreen ribbon cable with tape. Plug in the cables. Put the right side cover in the installation position. Tighten the 6 screws on the upper and lower parts of the cover. Put the UV enclosure in the installation position. Pass the cables through the right side hole. Close the UV enclosure. Tighten the screws securing the back cover holder. Clamp the Wi-Fi antenna with a pair of tweezers. Plug in the Wi-Fi antenna. Plug in the camera cable and the LED cable. Put the back cover in the installation position. Tighten the 7 screws. Lift the UV enclosure. Remove the camera and put it on the LCD screen temporarily. Tighten the screws securing the back cover holder in the middle. Tighten the other 5 screws. Get the resin tank and put it in the installation position. Tighten the 2 knob screws. Close the UV enclosure. Plug in the power adapter cable. Turn the power switch on. The printer is ready for use after the self-check.